Hi everybody, Juliana here. Today we're going for a little trip out of the kitchen. It's a farm close to Toronto, about 1 hour. We'll be able to walk through the corn maze and to the sunflower maze, so it's gonna be very interesting. I love corn. Corn is one of my favorite food, my favorite ingredients, so I'm very excited to see lots of corn and walk through the field. It's gonna be awesome. It's a very new experience for me. After this video, you will see a very nice corn recipe, and let's do it. The corn in Canada is called sweet corn, and its season is late summer. Sweet corn is a favorite summer food of many Canadians. You will always find fresh corn on the cob covered in salt and butter, served at a barbecue. It's a very beautiful field, full of dreams, fun, and also a little scary. I couldn't stop thinking about the horror movies. Along the maze, you will need to find the checkpoints to solve the puzzle to win a prize. Hey guys, I'm here at the corn maze. It's very nice, very excited, very beautiful. It's about 2 hours to complete. We have 17 points to check out. The Haynes corn maze is a puzzle for all ages. We're gonna walk a lot. Corn is the tallest of the cereal crops, reaching over 4 meters in height. I love corn, so I'm very excited for this experience today. The corn in Canada is so good, so sweet, delicious. I'm sorry, my Brazilians, but it's the best corn in the world. Canadian corn is just delicious. It's amazing. You can make cornbread. I'll make some very nice pancakes, gluten-free pancakes. Actually, my pancakes that I have every morning is made of corn flour. It's very healthy. And I'll have this recipe in the channel for you. Hopefully we can get out. There they go. And we're back in the same place. We're back and we lost. Oh, the name of that monster? Jason's not here. No, I mean the one, the cornfields. Chainsaw? No
chainsaw master. Thank God, no monsters here. So this side is the corn maze, and just next is the sunflower maze, and we're gonna go there now. Time for some sunflowers.
Haynes Farm's newest attraction is the Sunflower Maze. The sunflowers just bloom about 2 weeks. You can experience acres of beautiful blooms to take unbelievable shots.
Wow, look at this! So beautiful!
The largest sunflower grows to over 16 feet in height. As you walk through the maze, you can read at the checkpoints and learn about the sunflowers.
As many as 1,000 to 2,000 seeds. Nice, beautiful. First one.
The flower head can reach over 12 inches in diameter. Sunflowers are heliotropic, which means that they turn their flowers to follow the movement of the sun across the sky, east to west, and then return at night to face the east, red again for the morning sun.
Some mosquitoes. Come prepared because there is some mosquitoes. You might have to use some bug spray for sure. I didn't do so. Do better.
The pumpkins are already coming, but I will leave this one for Halloween.
Now we're gonna check out the bakery at the farm. Lots of pies, lots of treats. So very excited, we're very hungry. And I'm gonna show you everything they have here for food, for activities. Let's go.
They have some great activities here, an amazing petting zoo, and a very cute mini maze for the kids. You can find some very tasty goodies at the Tiny Shop Bakery. They're pie specialists. They've been baking pies since 1985, handmade from scratch.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked, don't forget to drop a like. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for new, very nice food adventures. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.